Hello and welcome in. I'm Sandra-Carlisle. This is my channel where we talk about AI marketing mastery. Today we're going to dive into how you can build trust in your brand using artificial intelligence. Trust is the secret sauce that keeps customers coming back. And with AI, we can make that easier than ever. Let's jump right in. First, number one is being transparent. In a world where consumers are more skeptical than ever, showing them what's behind the curtain can work wonders. Use AI tools to provide clear insights into your processes. So number two, personalized interactions. Whether it's how you source your products, or how you handle customer data. When customers can see that you have nothing to hide, they'll feel much more comfortable engaging with your brand. So let's talk about personalization. AI can tailor experiences just for your customers. Imagine receiving a recommendation that feels like it was made by you, the owner of the company. By analyzing customer behavior and preferences, AI can help brands with personalized messages directly to individual customers and make offers that resonate with those individuals. This personal touch shows that you care, shows your customers that you care. Not only about them as customers, but about them as individuals. They're not just numbers. They're people that you interact with and that you care about. So personalized messages are a way of letting them know that. So if this video and the message here resonates with you, please like and share this video with others, because it's word of mouth referrals like that that help me build the channel and build my brand. So if you could do that, that would be great. Let's get back to the subject about building with AI. Number three, showcase your authenticity. With so much content out on the digital landscape, standing out means being real. Use AI to tell your story in a genuine way. Share behind-the-scenes content or customer testimonials that highlight the experience your products and services offer to your customers. When people see the real human side of a brand, they're more likely to trust you and to trust your brand. Number four, utilize chatbots, but do it wisely. So chatbots can be a really handy tool. And it certainly is nice to know that, people who are sending you their email are being greeted in a kind and, generous way. At times they can provide instant support to a question, sometimes just a quick question, which they're perfect for. And sometimes customers have questions in the middle of the night. So isn't it nice to know that their questions and they're being served when, you're sleeping or you can't serve them or your team can't serve them. They're going to be served 24/7. But here's the trick. Make sure your chatbots are programmed to sound friendly and empathetic, not just order takers and, spit out a generic reply. A well-designed chatbot can enhance trust and provide the quick responses that the customer is looking for, while feeling personal and engaging. So there you have it. 4 fun ways to build trust in your brand using AI technology. Be transparent, personalized interactions, showcase authenticity, and use chatbots wisely. and subscribe for more awesome content. And let me know in the comments below how you're planning to use AI to build trust in your brand. Until the next time, remember, all marketing isn't the same. The art of intelligent marketing is what we focus on here, and to do things more in a personalized, blue ocean design. So I look forward to seeing you again. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.